Over the past few months, Bitcoin's price has surged to its new high, now standing somewhere around 60,000 to 70,000. So the big question is, has Bitcoin reached its peak, or it is just the beginning? If you are wondering how far Bitcoin can truly go, or considering whether now is the time to include in your investment portfolio, well, stick around in this video, because I'm going to share some insights that might give you some answers. Let's start by reflecting on Bitcoin's journey so far. Back in 2012, the average price of Bitcoin was about $10. So fast forward to today, and we are looking at a price between 60,000 to 70,000. That's a massive 6,000 times growth in value. That's pretty remarkable. Now, in terms of adoption, over 200 million people worldwide own Bitcoin today. That's about 2.5% of the global population. When you think about it, we are still in the early stages of adoption. So for perspective, some projections suggest that Bitcoin adoption could reach about 10% of the global population within the next decade. So following a similar growth curve to the early days of the internet, that's something to keep in mind as we look forward to the future. So with that background in mind, should you consider adding Bitcoin to your investment portfolio? Let's explore that a bit. The real question is here, how far can Bitcoin actually go? The potential is pretty exciting. With a capped supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin's scarcity alone is a strong driver of its value. As adoption continues to grow and the demand increase, that price could easily climb further. But beyond just scarcity, Bitcoin has certain qualities that make it a powerful store of value, even compared to traditional assets like gold. Gold has long been the go-to safe haven for preserving wealth, but Bitcoin has some unique advantages. It is digital, which means it's far more efficient to transfer and store. Bitcoin is also divisible, so it can be used for smaller transactions without logistic issues of dealing with physical gold. Plus, it is decentralized, offering a level of independence that traditional assets don't. On top of that, we are seeing some exciting developments in Bitcoin adoption. Bitcoin now has exchange-traded funds, which we call ETFs, which makes it much easier for institutional investors and traditional market participants to get involved. Major pay processors like Visas and Mastercards are also considering embracing Bitcoin, this further paving the way for broader use. What's really interesting is how traditional financial systems are integrating with Bitcoin. For example, platforms like PayPal and Square have made it simple for millions of people to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. This kind of integration is crucial because it brings Bitcoin into the everyday lives of average consumers, bridging the gap between crypto and the traditional financial world. Even more, Bitcoin payment gateways like BitPay and CoinGate are allowing businesses to accept Bitcoin as payment. And let's not forget that countries like El Salvador are adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, which really shows the growing impact it could have on a global scale. So, with all these developments, it is clear that mainstream acceptance is moving in the right direction, and that could have a significant impact on Bitcoin's future growth. Now, having said that all, let's think about some key insights on Bitcoin's value. First, Bitcoin is a completely unique asset. It is decentralized, meaning no government or entity controls it, and its capped supply makes it scarce by design. This scarcity combined with its increasing adoption position Bitcoin as a digital source of value like we have never seen before. Now, second point, Bitcoin can be thought of a digital gold. It offers all the benefits of gold acting as a hedge against inflation, preserving values, but with added advantages. It is far more efficient because it is digital. It is easier to transfer globally, and there is no need to store in vault or worry about its physical security. Third, and perhaps most relevant in today's economic climate, Bitcoin serves as a hedge against inflation, with many fiat currencies losing value due to inflation and economic instability. Now, Bitcoin fixed supplies makes it an attractive option for those looking to protect their wealth over time. Now, let's dive into a hypothetical scenario. What could happen if Bitcoin's total value matches that of gold? Now, currently the total value of the gold in the world is around 13 trillion. If Bitcoin with its 21 million supply cap were to reach that same total value, each Bitcoin could be worth roughly 690,000. That's already an exciting number to think about. But there is more to consider. Roughly 3.7 million bitcoins are believed to be permanently inaccessible due to lost keys and wallets. That reduced the effective supply to about 17.3 million bitcoins. So if we were to distribute that same 13 trillion values across a smaller amount of available bitcoins, each one could potentially be worth around 751,000. Well, these numbers give us a glimpse into the possible future of Bitcoin. But of course, they are based on hypothetical scenario. The actual price of Bitcoin will be influenced by numerous factors from regulatory changes to market dynamics. So where does this leave us? While it is fascinating to imagine Bitcoin hitting price upwards of 750,000, it is important to remember that these are just one set of possibilities. The potential of Bitcoin is vast, but so are the risks. There are many factors that will influence where Bitcoin's price goes next. So if you are considering Bitcoin as part of an investment strategy, it is crucial to do your own research and consult a financial advisor. Bitcoin's future is promising, but like any investment, it is important to weigh both the potential rewards and the risk. So thanks for watching. If you found this video is helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the future content. So that's all for right now. Signing out.